Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Capricorn. For your daily energies, we'll be picking few cards, guys, for your career situation and love energy. So this is for your career situation, guys, and this is for your love energy, Capricorn, and I'll be picking one card from the Oracle Guidance deck. So that card, it may or may not relate to your situation, guys, but it is a guidance. So if we follow that guidance, it will make our day a better one, guys. So that is what that guidance is about. So let's start the reading now. For your daily energy, Capricorn, it's Six of Swords in reverse, Four of Cups in reverse, Page of Cups. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, maybe it may relate to your career situation or your personal life. You have that deep understanding about any situation today, guys. You have intuition guiding you every step. So you may feel that when you're making some decisions today, in your career or in your personal life, something telling you to make that choice, or something telling you to avoid that, avoid some situation, some circumstance. So maybe some kind of intuitive nudges you may feel today, guys, and you feel love overwhelming yourself today. You want to visit this person, or you want to express your love for them. You may have that romantic feeling, or what to say, that that powerful feeling to see this person you love, to talk to them, to visit them, that attraction, or that what to say, that deep romantic feeling about that person. You may have that today. Something is increasing that love in your heart for them, guys. Maybe you are remembering them always, you are thinking about them always. And maybe if some of you, if you are single and if you are open to a new relationship, you may be getting a new person today, guys. That is also an energy here. So maybe you are meeting somebody new, and with this person you may have that deep bonding. Your intuition may be guiding you towards this person you are going to meet today, guys. So this person and yourself, you may share that deep understanding and connection, because for some of you it may be a karmic connection. So that is the reason you have that familiarity in this relationship, guys. And for many of you, Capricorn, this person will propose to you, or you may propose to them, guys, today. So you have a very, what to say, a romantic a day today, a very happy day. You may feel emotional or sentimental today because of how things are going to unfold today for you, guys. So let us see what is the card for your career situation, Capricorn. Nine of Pentacles. Again, we see that you are happy in your situation today, guys. So however things are going, you are happy. So I presume that you will be happy with your work situation. Whatever choices that you have made, it is moving you towards success. That is what I see. And let us see what is this card for your relationship. It's Page of Pentacles. So with this card, guys, this may be what you feel about this person, or what that person feels about you. You both share that mutual trust understanding and love. And this person you are in a relationship with, they are very practical, humble, very down to earth, and maybe you are stepping into that deep connection, deep intimate connection with this person, and you simply enjoy each and every moment of this connection, guys, this relationship, being with this person. You are just overwhelmed with that happiness and joy and peace you enjoy when you are with this person. So I see here, Capricorn, it's going to be a very happy day for you guys. Let us see what is this card, your oracle's guidance for today, Capricorn. Come to the edge. So with this card, guys, the energy in your situation, guys, is maybe sometimes in our situation, in our day, we may not know what is coming up in our situation. So we need to have that courage, take that leap of faith, and overcoming that fear we may have of that unknown, whatever a result may come. So this is the time for us to take that risk, and we need to go for that leap of faith. Listen to your heart and not your head, guys. This is the time for that. So whatever your heart tells you, even with the previous cards, I was talking about some intuition in your situation. So this is the time for that, guys. So you need to keep in mind that whatever your heart tells you, you need to go for it. Maybe in this relationship, when you are intimate with this person, sometimes we may not feel open to them. We may hide, we may try to protect ourselves, and we do not want to take that risk of showing our true self to that person. What are our positive, what are our flaws, whatever that is. When we allow ourselves to be truly seen in this relationship, when we just expose our truth, what we have in our heart of hearts, only then we will be able to build this relationship on truth, whatever is there in you. So you need to take that risk to go forward towards a deep, meaningful connection with this person, guys. And the same way in your career situation also, guys, you may not know that what will be the result that is coming for your work. So you need to have that courage in your situation, take few risks in your work or in your business to enjoy that prosperity. So when you have that trust in yourself, when you have that trust that you will be able to make the right choices, when you have that belief in yourself, you will always succeed. So that is what this card is about, Capricorn, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Capricorn.